So while this trade is running, I think I'm gonna do my whole recap of today because I did slightly mess up today. Um, but yeah, let's get into it. I will open the NQ chart and delete this. Go to 10 a.m. All right, so that's the 18 open. Um, not open around here. It's not very significant. Um, if we look at how 6 a.m. closed, we see that it's a bullish candle signature. Therefore, we are probably gonna take this out. Oh shit, why did I make it black? Um, Second thing is if we draw this, we see that the zero point 0.5 is above the new week opening gap. The second thing is we were inside a 1 hour fair value gap. So a sweep of this low and then continue higher is perfectly like good. I got a bit too caught up on the low time frame structure because I logged in like 1 minute before 10 a.m. Wasn't able to do a proper analysis. So yeah, it was a perfect bottom tick entry, and I tried to short this rejection block and this rejection blocks, which was low-key shit because if we look at the 5 minute, the structure here is just like has no displacement, no PD arrays like fair value gaps. Right here we see a fair value gap, so right here we see displacement. What happens after is displacement, and we get none of that on this, so I get stopped 2 times for no reason when 10 a.m. longs were perfectly valid. Um, and after that, we kind of reached the EQ and then sold off with the, I don't know how you even call it, 1 hour rejection block, a 4 hour, nothing. But yeah, after we swept that out, this was the DLL. Um, we have this fair value gap with EL above. So I thought, alright, once we soup this low, we can look for a 5 minute rejection block higher. Um, my target is this high to get like one winning day on my PA accounts. 18 open is right here. Yeah, it's running in profit. Let's see some reaction from 18, but I still think that it's probably gonna play out. Um, a strong displacement to the upside. Kind of regret that I only took it on the PA that's in drawdown. Because it was okay, a good trade. Like I tried to first long this 1 hour rejection block, but failed. But it was a really good risk, so then I decided to just wait for this to get hit. The only reason why I didn't take it on my proper funded was because look on the 4 hour, it's not CE. If we look on the 1 hour, it's not the CE. So that was my only reason for not taking it. If it did hit CE, then I would potentially take it on all my funded because this was low-key a really good setup combined with if we look on the 5 minute, all these are just lows, stacked liquidity. I mean, I would like to see low of week get put in sooner or later, but yeah, I think that we'll still manipulate above probably take out previous day high and then continue lower from that. We have CPI on Wednesday, so maybe that will be high or low of the week. Because the reason for me being bearish is the weekly closure. We did react off of this group quite nicely, but I think maybe this, yeah. Um, Maybe we take out these relative equal lows now that I'm looking at it. Also this low right here. So yeah, we will see. Um, as of right now, I just don't like this drop because I don't see displacement to the upside to confirm longs yet. But at the same time, I don't see much of a drop lower to confirm shorts. So I'm kind of stuck in this neutral bias. In the week, I still don't like that this is the weekly wick. Like we can't even see that it's there. So yeah, I will probably be targeting that. And yeah, that's it.